Hi, B. Smith, and everyone over there at Smith's Top Notch Maintenance and Repair. My name is Charles. I am with Warley Digital. I'm sending you this video because you had just replied to my post on Facebook, and I just wanted to show you what I do to get these leads I was talking about, and to give you just some free advice which you can give to your website person or your social and your SEO search engine optimization person to implement for you. And the reason I'm saying this is that we all know about 90% of people use Google to search for local services. 70% of them do not leave the front page. So if you take a look at the numbers of people who are searching for different services, you can see what kind of traffic you're missing. And I'm going to get into that. So just imagine, I'm in Google looking for, let's say, a bathroom remodeler in Cleveland. So I type in a keyword like bathroom remodeling Cleveland. That's a typical word. There are tools out there that measure how many people are searching for this every single month. And I'll explain more about these results in a minute. So that one keyword, bathroom remodeling Cleveland, I use a tool called Ahrefs, which like I said, gives me metrics about this keyword and other keywords, obviously, and gives you a lot of people use it to analyze websites. So just looking at this one keyword, bathroom remodeling Cleveland, you can see about 350 people search for that every single month. Not only that, there are other related keywords which you can include in any description you give about your business online. So whether this was on your website or whether this is in your Google My Business profile that I had pulled up here, make sure in your descriptions you start to include these keywords that people are looking for so that Google can put you in front of these searches. Now, I took the liberty of just doing a bit of research and looking at different keywords that might be related to your niche, and just to give you a view of how much how many people are searching for that every single month. So this is General Contractors Cleveland, Ohio, 200 people. Cleveland General Contractors, 250 people. Type that into Google every month. I'm not sure if you do fencing, but if you're a fencing company in Cleveland, Ohio, it would be good to be known for that keyword because 150 people search for that every month. Bathroom remodeling, and you can pause at any moment and look at the numbers, the number of people who are searching for your services. So for example, if you were ranking on the front page for the top 3 keywords here, Cleveland, bathroom remodeling Cleveland, and Cleveland bathroom remodeling. They sound very similar, but they have different metrics because people type them differently into Google. So if you were to get at least, this is over 1,000 people looking for these top 3 every month. So not everyone who clicks on your website is going to convert. So even if you had a 5% conversion rate, if you have this amount of traffic coming to you, this would be amazing. This tool is very powerful because now for each keyword, say for this keyword here, I can find out who is getting what traffic. And I'm sure you might recognize any of these competitors, but they're getting this traffic. And this is the traffic you want to capture because you don't need to advertise. You'll just be found on the front page. Okay, so to do that, and this is where I'm going to focus the rest of this video, is content, citations, and backlinks. I've already talked about keywords. Content is everything that's on your page, on your front page of your website. So because I did not find a website for you, I'm going to use one of your competitors here. Let's take these guys. Okay, so everything that's on their page is content. All the words, the pictures, the text behind the pictures, what the images are saved as. For example, if you try and save this, you'll see it's saved as a Cula Bath 9. It's important to save your images as keywords so that Google starts to recognize you for your services. It's optimal with Google to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text on your front page, and in your back pages, 750 to 1,000 words. This text should be authoritative, saying exactly who you are, where you're located, what you do, where your service areas, if you don't need to show your location, and also include a lot of keywords, relevant keywords, sparsed within natural language. This is because Google is able to tell whether it's natural or whether you're just stuffing in keywords, and whether it sounds natural. And more these days, Google is leaning towards organic material, not created by robots or by spammy bots and filters, etc. So just remember about 1,500 words on your front page and 750 to 1,000 on your back pages, explaining exactly who you are, what you do, where you service, what specials you have, and including keywords. Next thing I want to talk about is citations, and citations has to do with this area of the Google search called the map pack. So the map pack is where you have the map, 3 different services. Here you can see there's a Google ad. Google ads are, I tell people it's hit or miss because depending on your location and your services, they can tend to get expensive. They're pay per click. And believe it or not, there's some locations in the country where you can go as high as $90 a click. All right, so how do you rank higher and higher in this map pack area? Has a lot to do with citations. Citations are anywhere online where your name, address, and phone number are cited in different directories. Directories like yellowpages.com, whitepages.com, Yext, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, etc. The more relevant ones and the higher in number than your competitors, the higher you'll rank here, and the more you'll be recognized by Google for a local service. So there are tools out there you can use to see the citations of your competitors and start to get those citations and get higher in number, beat them by 50 or 100 so that you stay on top and you stay on top of the map pack and get more clients. Like I had said, you've seen the number of people searching for your services, so the probability of you getting more and more clients grows exponentially once you're on the front page. Last thing I wanted to mention is backlinks. Now, a backlink is when a different website links to your website, a page on your website, sending traffic to you. Not all backlinks are the same. For example, a backlink from a McDonald's is very different from a backlink from a let's say a construction forum has a blog up and they're linking to you. This is very different because you're different in different niches. Google can tell that and tends to penalize people with spammy backlinks. So what I would do is get a hold of your competitors. I'm going to take the same competitors that we had here before, and I'm going to drop them into RFs. Oops. And I'm going to drop them into RFs here. And this is what your SEO person should be doing on a monthly basis, looking at your competition, looking at the backlinks that they have, making sure that you have the same high quality backlinks if they have high quality ones. And probably this way, once you start to research your competition, you'll have a general knowledge of what you need to do to beat your competition. So those are the 4 things I wanted to talk about: keywords, content, citations, and backlinks. Take these links, give them to anyone who's building a website or helping you build your GMB, your Google My Business profile, and you'll start to rank higher and higher and get more clients, more leads, and therefore more clients, building your business without having to advertise too much or spending a lot of marketing dollars in ways that aren't bringing you fruit. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.